Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, March 18. Chief Economist at the Finance Ministry, Everton McFarlane, says the 2015-2016 budget revenue measures support the nation's growth strategy as well as the private sector. Mr. McFarlane was speaking during JIS TV's recent post-budget panel discussion. He said with significant expenditure budgeted for health and social protection, it was evident that government was serious about maintaining the gains made in the economic sector. The chief economist also explained that the ministry would be strengthening its tax compliance program.
The compliance program is based on a range of activities revolving around or strengthening the capacity and the operations of our revenue administrators, both at Customs and the Tax Administration of Jamaica. So systems are being improved. There is better information gathering and forensic data mining capacity, which feeds into better audit assessment, which feeds into a much more targeted compliance kind of activity.
The Finance Minister opened the budget debate last Thursday in Parliament, announcing several revenue measures as well as tax relief for some. Jamaica is about to be recognized for achieving a major milestone in healthcare.
Jamaica will soon be declared as having eliminated mother-to-child transmission of HIV and congenital syphilis.
The National Family Planning Board's executive director made that revelation at a recent Health for All forum where she was speaking on behalf of the health minister. She pointed to other significant gains in the national HIV STI program, including widespread delivery of the antiretroviral treatment, which she said was driving reduction in pediatric HIV cases and deaths.
Notwithstanding the new challenges, the multi-sectoral response has succeeded in keeping the adult prevalence rate for HIV at a stable level of 1.7%. Through partnership, we were able to increase ART coverage to the current level of over 70% of those with AIDS, or 60% of those with advanced HIV.
Dr. Chavan said it was important to focus on serving the needs of every member of the population, especially at-risk and vulnerable groups. Government is spending $280 million to repair roads in sections of West Rural St. Andrew under the Jamaica Emergency Employment Program JIS. This was disclosed by State Minister in the Ministry of Transport, Works and Housing, Richard Azan, while on a recent tour of projects by the National Works Agency in the area. He said the Boone Hall Road was one of the major projects being executed on the JIS. Approximately 730 meters of the roadway is being rehabilitated at a cost of $145 million.
We are doing some V-drain and overlaying of the entire road. There was a problem where you have water coming from the hillside, and we have to put in some French drain there to take away the water into the major drain.
Sections of the roadway in Stony Hill will also be repaired at a cost of $135 million. The State Minister also promised that additional roadworks would be carried out in West Rural St. Andrew during the 2015-2016 financial year, including sections of Golden Spring, Mount Airy, Brandon Hill, Mount Zion and Coakley. Meanwhile, the Transport and Works State Minister is appealing for road users to make safety a priority.
We have to do much better on the road. Speeding and reckless driving is causing all of these deaths. And I believe that a number of families are suffering from what is happening.
Mr. Azan was speaking at the recent opening of the refurbished roadway leading to the Caribbean Maritime Institute, financed by the Road Maintenance Fund and carried out by the National Works Agency.
The length of and stretch of the entire thing is 950 meters long road, and it may look small, but it's big, at a cost of $15 million for this project.
And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller announced to Parliament on Tuesday that U.S. President Barack Obama would be paying a state visit to Jamaica on April 9. Mrs. Simpson-Miller and President Barack Obama will hold bilateral discussions on a range of issues of mutual interest. During the visit, Jamaica will host discussions between President Obama and CARICOM heads of government on issues on the CARICOM USA agenda, including security and trade. In her statement to Parliament, the Prime Minister welcomed the visit, which is the second time a sitting U.S. President has visited independent Jamaica.
We view the visit as an acknowledgement and, more importantly, an appreciation of the close ties of history and culture that unite our two peoples. We are confident, therefore, that the visit will be marked by fruitful dialogue and exchanges that will serve to strengthen the close relations that exist at the bilateral level between Jamaica and the USA and between the USA and CARICOM.
Following the high-level encounter in Jamaica, President Obama and the CARICOM heads of government will head to Panama City for the 7th Summit of the Americas, which will be held on April 10 and 11. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.